Hi there, this is Bomag three-wheeler road loader hydraulics farm. Today we old farm repairs. This is front gear, no, and front in teeth. I also especially find some problem. It is not driving. You know what time you force drive control and you force front or rear not operated. So I check it first and drive motor also problem, but I found especially from pressure not coming from inside. This is front cover for the main seal, no? This LNK bolt, you need 5 LNK. Okay, this is very old dollar, so this 5 milli LNK. And 3 bolts also they are fixed. So if you going for remove and maintain just this plate, supporter plate, no, first and yeah, this is supporter plate, insert C seal and all in. Thank you for watching my repair videos and